Stop recording video button.
Welcome back to Tech Rants. My name is Q, and today I got an unboxing for you guys. Nothing major, but I thought I would do this real quick because I said I wanted to upload content, and you know, you guys can't donate to me if there's no content. So, but either way, and always remember donations are not required. If you want to donate, please donate to Cash App at $ the Tech Rant Show. That's $THETechrantsshow. Link will be in the description below. So today we're going to do the TracFone TCL Flip 2. This phone you can pick up fairly cheap. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and open this up. This is a flip phone, so yeah, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and open up this box. All right. So let's see. It should go ahead and slide out. Oh. All right. That's how we're going to do that. That's interesting. But anyway, all right. Let's go and open that up like that. That comes out. I didn't pretty much ruin that box. But, oh well. It is what it is. Going to toss that to the side. All right, so now we have this. So let's open up this compartment here and let's see what's inside. All right, so on top we got some user manuals. The user manuals, yeah, it's all right. We're going to toss that to the side. We have a removable battery, a door cover. Interesting. Okay. Door cover. I haven't did a phone with a removable battery in so long. And we have a USB, micro USB cable, I believe. A charging brick. And yeah, under all of that, here is the phone. Alright. So let me go ahead and toss some of this aside. And yeah, we're gonna come back here. Let's see. And put back all the manuals. All right, let's take this out. All right, so let's take a look here at this phone. Looks fairly decent. Can't really sit here and say it's too bad. Let's see if we can go ahead and pull this off. Ah, yes, that's nice. All right, so we open this up. Pretty big buttons for a flip phone. That's, you know, exactly what you expect. Got more plastic. All right, so not bad at all. So let's go ahead and open up the battery. Put the battery in. Yeah, kind of excited to try this out. I always like nostalgia. Plus, it's something different. So yeah, whatever. It's cheap, so we can do whatever we gotta do. So let's go and get the battery in. Maybe not. All right. Great. Oh, got the battery in. All right, and let's put the door on. Now, I don't want to break the door. Can't really break the battery, but I don't want to break the door. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. All right, cool. Ooh, almost dropped the phone on the first initial test or whatever have you. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this door on. This is it's nice. Okay, there we go. This is fairly, I don't want to say it's cheaply constructed, because it's not quite, but it's, I don't know. It's 20 bucks, so you can't really expect too much. But it slaps in together pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on and see how it goes. See if we got any juice. Okay, it might be dead. And if that's the case, it is what it is. All right, so I think this phone might actually be dead. So if that's the case, it needs to charge. But this is just a quick unboxing. I don't, you know, I think this is pretty good. So TCL Flip 2, I'll come back with a full review or an update here soon, but I just want to do this quick unboxing. It's actually pretty nice. Volume rocker on the one side. On the left side, you got 3.5mm headphone jack. I believe that's a USB C charging cable. Not quite sure, but whatever. We'll see. But all right, so if this is informative, catch a guy. If this is informative, helpful, or entertaining in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what you guys think, and stay tuned for more videos and updates about this phone. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Later.
Take picture. Stop recording video.